It can help boost your immune system and may help to prevent cell damage caused by free radicals in the body. This can reduce your risk of developing many significant health complications such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Hibiscus tea contains other antioxidants, such as anthocyanins.
Boosting the immune system. Managing blood pressure. Relieving anxiety. Relieving menstrual cramps. Protects the liver. Improves digestion. Weight loss. Cholesterol reduction.
Several studies suggest that hibiscus tea may be associated with weight loss and protect against obesity. One study gave 36 overweight participants either hibiscus extract or a placebo. After 12 weeks, hibiscus extract reduced body weight, body fat, body mass index and hip-to-waist ratio.
Bring the hibiscus flowers and water to a boil in a large pot. Once the water starts boiling, switch off the flame and cover the vessel. At this point, you can also add other herbs or add-ins such as basil, lemongrass, lemon zest, etc. Let the tea steep for 15 to 20 minutes.